Welcome to Adam's Acai and Smoothies. This business is a food truck that combines the quickness and convenience of a food truck with quality and healthy foods that are becoming more of a trend in Southern California. The problems that this business is looking to solve are the lack of quality food in food trucks, limited eating options at our target location, lack of health conscious options, and the ability to find healthy foods that can be taken on the go. What makes our product different? Adam's Acai and Smoothies will buy from local businesses, which will help to support the surrounding economy. We will use the freshest ingredients possible because they will be bought so close to the source that they are grown. Finally, all ingredients will be organically grown to further appeal to health-conscious consumers. What makes this a good opportunity? In recent years, the food truck industry has grown 4.4%. The potential market is close to 8,000 people, which was calculated using the percentage of the school population that eats at food trucks. There are very few direct competitors in this area, and focusing on a healthy diet is becoming an increasing trend. The target market for this business is the student population of Orange Coast College, located in Costa Mesa, California. The college has a population of 24,000 students, and as said before, the potential market is around 8,000, which is roughly 32% of the student population. The product that this business focuses on is acai bowls and smoothies, which allows for a simple menu, making it an easy experience for customers looking for a quick meal. The goal is to maximize customer convenience while not compromising on the nutritional value of the meal. The food truck allows for customers to take meals on the go so they can make a purchase on the way to class or the library. The meal is refreshing, quiet enough for students to eat in the library or class, portable, and delicious. The price of an acai bowl is $10, which is consistent with industry standards. This will leave enough room for a high profit margin to continue to purchase fresh and quality ingredients. There are 3 direct competitors for this business, which are all based on location. The 3 direct competitors are the coffee shop, the cafeteria, and the snack bar. All of these competitors are also located on campus, which is why they are considered the closest and most direct competitors. There are no other alternatives that serve this meal in this area. This location limits competition and provides a barrier to entry for other businesses because of the limited amounts of businesses allowed to be on campus. The assumptions made on the cash flow are a frequency of usage per year of 12, which is a very low estimate when customers could potentially buy the product more than once a week. The potential market is assumed at 32% of the campus population, which research indicates is the percentage of people that purchase food from food trucks. The gross margin is assumed at 60%, which is on par for the industry average. With the previous assumptions, the MPV is estimated at $55,380.44. The internal rate of return, or IRR, is 18%, and the break-even point in units sold is 8,520. The critical variables in MPV calculations measures the minimum usages per year and the minimum gross margin in which MPV will still be positive. The minimum usages per year to keep a positive MPV is 11, less than once a month. The minimum gross margin for a positive MPV is 40%. In conclusion, This business is extremely feasible because of the estimations made in the cash flow. These estimations are low and still project a positive NPV. This means, in a worst case scenario situation, the business will still be profitable. With the project estimations of customers only purchasing the product 11 times a year, the NPV remains positive. And if customers purchase the product once a week or possibly more, Adam's Acai and Smoothies will be extremely profitable.